What's up, y'all? Welcome back. I just got done working out, and right now we're gonna spend some time in the kitchen. I'm going to be lunch prepping, meal prepping for my husband. We just make him some sandwiches, and then I'm gonna make some granola. I make homemade granola just because it's very cost effective. You can save a lot of money making your own like granola and granola bars. So I'm gonna show you how I do that. But first, I have like so many things going on right now. Okay, but first, so he already had his lunch today for Monday. So we got Tuesday to Friday. I don't eat bread, so well, let me stop lying to y'all. I do eat bread. I just don't eat a lot of bread. So I just took this $1 loaf from Walmart, and I'm just gonna basically, I cut it in fours, and then I sliced it basically. And so I'm gonna make him 2 turkey and 2 chicken. Now over here, what I got going on is just some chicken that I'm gonna try to defrost and just kind of season it and put it in the oven. And that I'm gonna make use some of the chicken to go in 2 of those sandwiches, and then the rest I'm gonna use to make dinner. I'm gonna be making chicken pasta. And over here, I have the stuff that I used like to make the granola, and then like the other 2 turkey sandwiches. I have the turkey for that right now. So we got a lot of stuff going on, but don't worry, I'm not gonna cross-contaminate nothing. I am very, I am very serious when it comes to chicken in the kitchen. So I'm actually not even gonna touch the chicken right now. The only thing I'm gonna do is make 2 of those turkey sandwiches, and then I'll do the granola. But yeah, we on a time limit because once I leave the kitchen, I really don't like to come back. So we trying to get this all done. I didn't have any butter out already. Softened. I don't know. It's some ghetto stuff. Like, come on. I'm gonna just toast these like 2 at a time. Ooh, thank you, Jesus. I didn't burn it. It's nice and fluffy. Same thing, we're gonna put it on toast for 4 minutes. Yeah, we're gonna take you out because you look like you're trying to burn. I got my 4 toasted breads. So basically what I'm gonna do now is just kind of get all of the sandwiches ready. The only thing is these 2 and the red are gonna be chicken. Now why would my ice maker come on while I'm trying to talk? These 2 are gonna be chicken. These 2 are gonna be turkey. So of course we can't finish these right now because they're gonna be chicken and I haven't made the chicken yet. But yeah, we'll just get it ready so that when the chicken is made, all we gotta do is put it on there. I like to use like the squeeze bottle stuff because I don't want to be using knives like every day to try to squeeze condiments or to, you know, spread condiments around. Like, I don't have time for that. Y'all, this is so embarrassing. Cannot get this out. So I put mayonnaise on each one. He likes mayonnaise, and then I just switch out what kind of mustard, like a stone ground mustard. I use like a yellow mustard. I think he likes this the best, so I'll put this on like 2 of them. The honey mustard. And like I said, 2 of these are gonna be turkey, 2 are gonna be chicken because we're running out of turkey. And I'm not going to the store today. It's just not gonna happen. Not gonna happen today, baby. Not even gonna try to put like sometimes I put lettuce on it, but I'm not even gonna try to do that and fight with him because he'll eat it, but he really don't like it like that. So I just do it like this, then boom, there goes sandwich. There goes sandwich. And then of course I'm gonna leave these 2 out until I'm done with the chicken. I can just close it for now. Like that. Okay, so I went ahead, got all that stuff out the way, washed my hands, wiped the counter down, and now we're gonna move on to the granola. And so this is just some of the stuff that you'll need, like almonds, raisins, oats, of course, peanut butter, and then almond milk. You can basically add like nuts, M&Ms, however you like it. And I don't have like a recipe. I think I do it like a lot of times I cook, I do stuff different like every time, just based on like, I don't know, just my senses. First, let me check if these almonds are good because I bought these like a while ago. Okay, yeah, they're good. It says August 30, 2023, so they should be good. But let me just taste test them. Yeah, they're good. They're good. So I'm gonna just pour some out. Maybe like a third of the bag. And this is a 16-ounce bag. Like I said, use whatever kind of nuts, chocolate, whatever you want to do. Even if you want to leave them whole, just leave them whole. But I don't want no whole almonds in my granola, so. And I just do this until I don't see any more like whole pieces. And if you're not good with a knife, just leave it whole because I don't want y'all to cut yourself. I know because I used to be one of those that was not good with a knife. But yeah, I do it like it's kind of like pancake mix. Like you just gotta just do it until it feels right. You really don't even have to put this much peanut butter in here. I'm just being extra because I want it to bind together. You can also put honey in here. A lot of times I do put honey in there. But that honey be hard to get out the container. And now we stir. get one of these. Maybe this will be better to help me mix this stuff together. You could even put like the littlest bit of vanilla extract in there to like bring out the vanilla taste. But I'm just gonna use this vanilla almond milk. Get it a little bit more wet. Only reason I'm adding, because I know some recipes they say you don't have to add anything and they don't even cook it. Like, but I cook mine, so I'm adding almond milk so that when I put it in the oven, it's not like as dry. Add a little bit more oats because it's kind of a chunky granola. Yeah, y'all see why I said like it's kind of like pancake mix. Like you just, you know, pancake mix, you just add your water and your mix until it's right. That's kind of how you do it. Milk, and then we're gonna cook this bad boy. Okay, so I just went ahead and preheated the oven to 350 degrees. And we are going to put the granola in this big pan. Since I made quite a big batch, I'm using like a big pan, and I'm just gonna kind of butter the pan. If you have spray, you can use spray, but I don't have spray right now, so I'm just gonna do it the old-fashioned way. Y'all country people know about it. Now we're just gonna go ahead and pour it in there. Of course, you want to use the appropriate size pan for however much granola you made. I felt like this was the appropriate size. Hopefully it is. And then you want to evenly layer it. And you want to kind of mash it down. At least this is what I do. You can go on Pinterest. You can look up your own recipes. I'm just showing y'all what I do. Mash it down so that everything can stick together. And I think my husband will be really happy that I made granola. He loves when I make granola. Like, you can eat it for breakfast or you can eat it as a snack. My granola bars, they stick together and sometimes they fall apart. It just depends on like the day, but these bad boys shouldn't fall apart because I put enough peanut butter on it. Okay, we're not gonna obsess over this. Not gonna obsess. Let's put it in the oven. Again, I'm not proper. I don't know how long I leave it in, but it's at 350, so just keep your eye on it until it gets golden brown, as they say. But yeah, just watch it. It'll be all right. So what I do is I just take some cling wrap and I have it ready. And this is like completely cooled. I take this little cookie spatula and okay. I was trying really hard not to have it fall apart because I wanted it to be like a bar. And it's stuck together pretty good, but it is like fragile, so you definitely want to be careful. You want to wrap it up. All right, y'all, here are my granolas. I cut about 12 out of that one pan. I have some crumbs left over and I'm gonna put them on top of some yogurt. And that's all it is to it. I usually refrigerate these and then that way my husband can just grab it whenever he likes. So that's done. So let's start the chicken pasta. Veda complete. I'm a big fan of veda. Okay, so yeah, this was just like random pasta. I just decided to make chicken linguine Alfredo basically. So yeah, that's it. All right, y'all, so that is it. Y'all saw me do the granola. Y'all saw me make my husband's lunches for the week, and then I also did the impromptu pasta for dinner. And so thank y'all again for watching. I'm gonna rest now and I'll see y'all tomorrow.